Hey, what's going on, y'all? I just wanted to do a little update video here about my tooth adventures and what I'm feeling right now and how it's going. And I figured I'd be doing this with you guys while I'm making some ice cream. I'm making some ice cream right now, and I was like, you know what? I need to do an update video, let you guys know what I'm feeling. So I had the tooth removed, and that day went really smoothly. I was put on another round of antibiotics, so this is my 4th round of antibiotics. And I've been titrating off of the ibuprofen and the Tylenol. They did give me some, no, they didn't give me any pain medication. It was just 800s of ibuprofen, which I didn't take. I ended up just taking 400s, 200 milligram tablets, which I'm titrating off of that. So tomorrow's my last day of the antibiotics after I had my tooth pulled. So today's Sunday. I had it pulled Monday. So tomorrow it will be a week. I've been doing the salt water rinses a couple times a day, and then the chlorhexidine mouthwash after breakfast and then before bed. And that's going pretty well. Really, the part that I don't like about this is he numbed my tongue before he did the extraction, and my tongue is still numb. I can feel a slight little bit of sensation through it. I can move it, I can talk, but it's still numb. Lip is still numb, still kind of locked up right here on the jaw. So I'm trying to just be centered with the concept that I had major surgery and then had a tooth extracted a week ago, and it takes the body some time to just heal. So of course that's all I can do. But one thing I really love about banana ice cream is, this is a little hazelnut extract I'm going to be putting in the banana ice cream, is it's really easy to eat. It's like soft serve. So I did put some date water down in the container. So we got a 1/4 cup of date water. Soak the dates, and then the water you can use. It's nice sweet water. And I'm going to put in 3 walnuts into this mixture, and then 4 frozen bananas, and then blend it up. It's going to be absolutely delicious. So yes, that's where I'm at right now. And I'm going to be doing a microbiome test this next week, because just for fun, just for kicks and giggles, let's see how the pain medication, the Tylenol, the ibuprofen, the pain medication, the antibiotics, how did that affect the microbiome? Just for kicks and giggles. We'll see what it is. So we'll take that here this coming week. Tuesday is my plan. So in a couple days, because today is Sunday, just breathe easy and have patience that this is going to subside. I really wish that my body was metabolizing the Novocaine faster than this, for sure. But it's going to be really nice to have the sensation back. The stitches, the site is healing up really well. And I'm still just trying to take it easy with any kind of harder foods. I do try to, of course, I'm only chewing on the one side. That's all I can really do. And it's interesting how that side can get kind of tired, kind of fatigued, because, when we're chewing, we're kind of going back and forth from each side to side, right? So I've only got the one side, so it does get a little tired. So having stuff like smoothies and ice cream and soups and these sorts of things really make it a lot easier to get the food down. And ice cream, of course, is amazing, which is what I'm wanting to have right now to kind of end this day off. And yeah, really, it's just a process. Healing is a process, right? And then the body has to just do what it's got to do, and all we can do is support it through this entire time. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, let's blend this up real quick. So there it goes. So maybe some of you are watching that and you've never seen ice cream made in the Vitamix. What I'm doing is I'm using this tamping wand, this tamper, and I can push it down into the container and kind of smash those bananas into the blades to get it to mix up a little bit quicker. And once it's mixed up perfect, look at that beautiful little flower down there. I love it. Now we're ready to go. So Lissa likes a scoop of ice cream. I'm gonna give her a scoop. Just like that. Actually, today is our 6-year wedding anniversary, and we decided to put the Raw Food Romance Skool community on sale today for $33 a month or $349 for the year. It's normally $47 a month, but what we do is we go live right here in our kitchen at least once a month, multiple times a month. We have done before. At least once a month we're going live, showing you basically anything that we know that is really cool that we want to share, like how to make ice cream, how to make the wraps, how to make sushi, how to make fruit roll-ups, all kinds of stuff. We actually just made some kale chips this last Saturday, yesterday. So that was pretty fun. We have a great community in there. Everybody is just so helpful and it's just really nice to see a lot of people encouraging each other. And we do challenges every month. So every single day of the month is, say like this month is going, is different than last month. So it was kind of the idea of putting it on sale was for a couple reasons. For one, it's a year that we've had the group, which is crazy. It's been a year already. And it's this next month in September, it's Lissa's 11-year anniversary of being raw. So we're like, well, let's just put the community on sale. So click the link down in the description to come check out the group. Every video that we do, we repost it in the Skool community. So that way you can go back and watch the replays if you missed the class, right? And we also do a hangout with Q&A every month as well. So it's pretty fun stuff. And if you're looking for other ideas and ways to incorporate more raw foods into your life, we do have a meal plan app. You can check that out. I'll put it in the description down below as well. It basically just charts out your entire week worth of food that you need. The food that you need to get at the grocery store, right? All the ingredients, and then of course the recipes, and we add new recipes frequently. Lots of recipes in there. That's $5 a month or $50 for the year. So that's really a great tool as well, because it kind of just takes the thinking out of it. You just follow the plan, right? Anyways, so that's the update. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. Here we are, school's starting back up. It's wild to see all the school supplies. Even Christmas stuff is coming out. It's pretty wild. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing really good out there. And I'll keep you posted on where I'm at. It's going to be about 5 months of healing before I'm going to be able to go back in and get the post drilled to put the cap on, the healing cap. And then that's a whole process of 6 months of healing before I can actually get the implant, the tooth, which I can't wait, because it's going to be really nice to have that molar back. Molars are so important. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, your night, your morning, whatever it might be. And we'll see you on the next one. Love ya.